NELE, DELE. What's the difference between these words? When should each of them be used? Stay until the end of the lesson to find out. Olá pessoal, today's lesson was suggested by a subscriber. Thank you very much for your participation. By the way, keep those topic suggestions coming in the comments below. I love turning your ideas into videos. Now, let's begin. What's the difference between ELE, NELE and DELE? Well, first of all, in Portuguese, ELE is a pronoun used to refer to any singular masculine nouns such as people, o homem, ele, objects, o carro, ele, animals, o cachorro, ele, things in general, o sol, ele. So in Portuguese we use ele to replace a singular masculine noun that was already mentioned in order to avoid repetition. Examples. Do you know who that man is? He is a famous singer. Você sabe quem é aquele homem? Ele é cantor famoso. Ele é cantor famoso. Oh, what a cool car! It must have cost a fortune. Que carro legal! Ele deve ter custado uma fortuna. Ele deve ter custado uma fortuna. By the way, use ela to replace any singular feminine nouns in Portuguese. For example, você sabe quem é aquela mulher? Ela é uma cantora famosa. Ela é uma cantora famosa. Oh, que casa linda! Ela deve ter custado uma fortuna. Ela deve ter custado uma fortuna. Easy, isn't it? Now, what happens when ele e ela come after prepositions? Well, in most cases, nothing happens, nothing changes. Check it out. She works with him. Ela trabalha com ele. He works with her. Ele trabalha com ela. Nothing changed. She writes a few songs for him. Ela escreve algumas músicas para ele. He writes a few songs for her. Ele escreve algumas músicas para ela. Some songs are about him. Algumas músicas são sobre ele. Some songs are about her. Algumas músicas são sobre ela. But, I said, but, when ele, ela come after the preposition em, they contract with it. That's right. Em plus ele becomes nele. Em plus ela becomes nela. A few examples. Oh, I'm thinking about you. Estou pensando em você. So as you can see, the verb pensar in Portuguese requires a preposition em. Estou pensando em você. Now, if I want to say that I'm thinking about him, estou pensando nele, em plus ele. Estou pensando nele. About her? Estou pensando nela. Estou pensando nela. Oh, what a beautiful house! Who lives in it? Ah, que casa linda! Quem mora nela? Quem mora nela? Oh, what a beautiful castle! Who lived in it? Que castelo lindo! Quem morava nele? Quem morava nele? Huh? What is he looking for?
Bia, você viu a minha mala?
His suitcase. He's sitting on his suitcase. He's sitting on it. Você está sentado nela. Você está sentado nela.
Claro. E você viu o meu mapa?
His map. His cat is sitting on it. O seu gato está sentado nele. O seu gato está sentado nele. Now, let's continue. When ele, ela come after the preposition de, they often contract with it. De plus ele becomes dele. De plus ela becomes dela. There's something else about the words dele, dela, that I'll mention later in the tip of the day. Don't miss it. So, as I was saying, de plus ele becomes dele. De plus ela becomes dela. Examples. I like you. Eu gosto de você. So, as you know, the verb gostar in Portuguese requires the preposition de. Eu gosto de você. Now, if I want to say that I like him, eu gosto dele. Eu gosto dele. I like her. Eu gosto dela. Eu gosto dela. I don't remember him. Eu não me lembro dele. Eu não me lembro dele. Eu não me lembro dela. Eu não me lembro dela. Now, what is he looking for?
Bia, você viu o meu gato?
Oh, he's looking for his cat. Ele está atrás de você. O gato está atrás dele. O gato está atrás dele. Agora o gato está ao lado dele. Agora o gato está ao lado dele. Oh, it went into the suitcase but came out of it. Ele entrou na mala, mas já saiu dela. Ele entrou na mala, mas já saiu dela. Have you left me any comments recently? Do it. I enjoy reading them and also exchanging a few words with you. Now, are you ready for the tip of the day? In Portuguese, in order to avoid ambiguity that some possessive pronouns may bring up, we use the words dele, dela, deles, delas. In case you have forgotten, these are the possessive pronouns in Portuguese, the most commonly used ones in Brazilian Portuguese. Have you noticed that the possessive pronouns related to você, ele, ela are the same?
Yes, I have, Bia, and I don't like it.
I know you don't. How can you tell if the sentence seu cachorro fugiu means your dog ran away, his dog ran away, or her dog ran away? First of all, look at the context. For example, do you have a dog? Oh, your dog ran away. Você tem cachorro? Seu cachorro fugiu. Or, does he have a dog? His dog ran away. Ele tem cachorro? Seu cachorro fugiu. Does she have a dog? Her dog ran away. Ela tem cachorro? Seu cachorro fugiu. Now, if the context is not enough, or if you want to make sure that there is no ambiguity, use dele when referring to anything that belongs to a man. Not you, yes, when talking about a third person. Use dele when referring to anything that belongs to a man. Use dela when you refer to anything that belongs to a woman. So, to say that his dog ran away, I have two options. O seu cachorro fugiu. That may be ambiguous depending on the context. Or, if I want to make it crystal clear that his dog ran away, o cachorro dele fugiu. Now everybody knows whose dog I'm talking about. O cachorro dele fugiu. It was her dog. Seu cachorro fugiu. Okay, I need more information to know whose dog ran away. But if I say o cachorro dela fugiu, we know it was her dog. By the way, have you noticed that when using dele, dela, the word order changes? Yes, it does. When using the possessive pronouns, place them before the noun. O seu cachorro fugiu. But when using dele, dela, deles, dela, place these words after the noun. O cachorro dele fugiu. O cachorro dela fugiu. If you want to understand better how to use the third person singular possessive pronouns, watch that lesson and tell me later what you learned from it. And if you liked today's lesson, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching another lesson. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau and who let the dogs out.